Your mix is only as good as what you hear, and if you are mixing on the wrong speakers, you are basically flying blind. I have tested the top studio monitors of 2026 across different budgets and room sizes to find out which ones actually translate, and which ones will have you chasing your tail in the mix. Let's get into it. The KRK ROKIT 5 Gen 5 is a complete redesign from the ground up, and it shows. This generation focuses heavily on accuracy while keeping that signature ROKIT sound that producers love. The front firing port is a game changer. It allows you to place these closer to walls without muddying up the bass, which is perfect for cramped studio spaces. The Kevlar drivers provide detailed mid-range and punchy low end, and the built-in DSP room correction lets you tailor the response to your specific environment. They are also visually striking, but more importantly, they are incredibly versatile across genres: hip-hop, electronic, rock, you name it. The one thing to keep in mind is that they are slightly more colored than something like the YAMAHA Hs5, but for many producers, that translates to a more inspiring listening experience. If you want modern features and reliable performance, check the link in the description below. If accuracy is everything to you, the Focal Shape 65 is in a league of its own. These monitors are built for critical listening and mastering level detail. What sets them apart is the inverted dome tweeter, a focal signature, which delivers insane high-frequency clarity without any harshness. The mid-range and bass are equally impressive thanks to the flax cone woofer that keeps distortion incredibly low, even at high volumes. These are rear-ported, so they need some space from the wall, but the adjustable crossover and EQ settings let you fine-tune them to your room perfectly. The stereo imaging is precise, making it easy to pinpoint exactly where every element sits in your mix. They are not cheap, but for serious producers, engineers, and anyone who demands reference-level accuracy, these are an investment that pays for itself. Check the link in the description below. The JBL 305P Mark II has been a fan favorite for years, and the 2026 version continues to dominate the entry-level and mid-range market. What you get here is unbelievable value for money. The image control waveguide gives you a wide sweet spot, so you do not have to sit in a perfect triangle to get an accurate picture of your mix. The bass response is tight and punchy, way more than you would expect from a 5-inch woofer. These are great for smaller rooms and home studios where space is limited. They also handle high volumes without distorting, which is rare at this price point. The only thing to note is that they can be a little unforgiving with poorly recorded material, but that is actually a good thing when you are mixing. For anyone starting out or upgrading on a budget, these are the safe bet. I have linked the JBL 305P Mark II down in the description. The Yamaha Hs5 is the industry standard for a reason. These monitors do not lie to you. Often called the white cone or NS10 of the modern era, the HS series is designed to be brutally honest. If your mix sounds good on these, it will sound good anywhere. The 5-inch cone woofer and 1-inch dome tweeter deliver flat, uncolored sound that forces you to actually work for a good mix. The bass is tight and controlled, not exaggerated, which means you will have to dial in your low end properly instead of relying on hype. They feature room control and high trim switches to compensate for placement near walls. My feedback is simple. These are not for casual listening. They are tools. If you want to create mixes that translate to car speakers, headphones, and club systems, the Hs5 is your partner. Grab your pair through the link in the description below. If you want that high-end ribbon tweeter sound without the high-end price, the Atom Audio T5V delivers. These monitors feature the famous UART accelerated ribbon tweeter, which provides incredible transient response and high-frequency detail that you normally only get on monitors twice the price. The bass comes from a 5-inch woofer powered by a Class D amplifier that keeps everything tight and controlled. The soundstage is wide and deep, giving you a three-dimensional picture of your mix that helps with spatial placement and reverb decisions. They are surprisingly compact, but fill a room effortlessly. The only downside is that they can reveal flaws in your mix so clearly that it can be discouraging at first. But that is exactly what you want in a reference monitor. For producers ready to step up their game without breaking the bank, these are a serious contender. I have linked the Atom Audio T5V down in the description. That is the top 5 studio monitors for 2026. Whether you are building your first home studio or upgrading your mixing setup, every link is waiting in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.